Today is 5th July. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. Arya.ag has raised $29.2 million from existing investors. This is the first round of investment for the Noida-based company since January 2022. Arya.ag is a grain commerce platform that connects agri-producers, sellers, and buyers. It provides ancillary services including warehousing and debt to farmers through third-party lenders. Mattermotor announced that it has secured a first tranche of $35 million in Series B round led by US-based venture capital firm Helena. Other notable investors in this round include Capital to be Japan Airlines and TransLink Innovation Fund, Saad Behwan Investment Management Company, SP Invest, other institutional investors and family offices. The firm recently raised $10 million as a part of the ongoing round, which is likely to be closed at around $70 million. Elephant has raised about $750,000 in its seed round called by venture catalysts, Malpani Ventures, with participation from several notable investors and family offices. The funding round saw participation from a roster of investors including Sudhakar Pai, MD, Kurlo Industries, Jyoti Pradhan, CEO Kurlo, Family Office, Agray Global FZD, Growth 91 Growth Sense, IV Growth, Series 1 Capital. Founded by Saurabh Jain, Elephant offers an extensive selection of toys and books for children aged 0 to 12 years, sourced from over 70 top brands with over 600 options. In a feat, the Elephant has garnered over 13,000 registered users and 1,000 fully paid subscribers in less than 10 months since its launch. OYO has raised 416.85 crore rupees, approximately $50 million, from Incred Wealth and Investment. OYO will use these proceeds for growth, global expansion, including acquisitions, and enhanced business plans, according to the filings. DICE has raised $5 million, 42 crore rupees, in a series of funding round led by venture capital firm Dallas Venture Capital, DVC. The round also saw participation from venture capital fund GVFL, formerly Gujarat Venture Finance Limited. Founded in 2018, DICE is a corporate spend orchestration, digital commerce, and payments platform for enterprises. Its suite of enterprise products includes accounts payable, procurement management, subscription management, expense and travel administration, payment and budget management, and workflow control. The newly raised funds will be used for various go-to-market initiatives, including enhancing market penetration, broadening customer outreach, optimizing sales and marketing strategies, and enhancing its artificial intelligence (AI) capabilities, the company said on Wednesday. Bain Capital-backed Emcure Pharmaceutical shares garnered 583 crore rupees from anchor investors a day before its initial share sale offer opening for public subscription. Proceeds of the fresh issue will be used towards payment of debt and for general corporate purposes. Hoop has secured an undisclosed sum of investment from Olympic medalist PV Sindhu. This looks like an equity against brand promotion, as the badminton champion has also joined as an ambassador of Hoop. Founded in 2022 by Twinkle Uppal and Saharsh Agrawal, Hoop offers a range of natural products for topical pain relief, muscle recovery, and sleep support. Its relief and recovery products are available on its website as well as on marketplaces.